how to stop the JavaScript in your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you where you can find the JavaScript option and where is it setting it and how you can disable it. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here I just open my Chrome browser and let me go ahead. That first step is you have to go in settings, go to the settings, and under the setting you have to find out the option called set privacy and security. Okay, under the security, just come to the site setting. Under site setting you have to find the JavaScript. Okay, here you can see you can allow the JavaScript for all website, or you can also disable JavaScript for all website. Okay, but if you want to customize this option, if you want to allow only if you don't want to allow this JavaScript only one website, so you can add the website from here. So I just add the Facebook. So only Facebook will not allow the JavaScript, other website will be allowed. But this, if you want to remove, just remove from here. And here option you can see you can add the any website or any numbers of website here, and this website is allow the JavaScript. Okay, only this website which only added website allowed to use the JavaScript, other website will not allow to JavaScript. Okay, so this is the vice versa, and you can customize as per your requirement. So you can remove from here also. So if you want to enable all, just select this one and just come back, so it will be enabled to all website. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.